Is your dryer taking longer than normal to dry clothes? You may have a dryer vent airflow problem in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. At Dryer Vent Wizard of Durham, we specialize in dryer vent airflow problem repair in Chapel Hill, North Carolina, helping homeowners and businesses restore safe, efficient dryer performance. Restricted airflow can be caused by lint buildup, damaged vent pipes, disconnected ductwork, crushed vents, improper vent routing, or other hidden dryer vent issues. Our professional technicians inspect the entire dryer vent system, identify airflow restrictions, complete expert repairs, and help reduce fire hazards while improving efficiency. Don't ignore a dryer vent airflow problem in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. Visit dryerventwizard.com/locations/Durham/Geo/Chapel Hill NC or call 919-642-4608. Dryer Vent Wizard of Durham. Professional dryer vent repairs, improved airflow, safer homes.